Well, good afternoon, everybody, and we're into the second half of the last official weekend of August. August 27th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here. I welcome you guys back to my channel as I got a video lined up for you to get the afternoon going. It's right now 12:06. We're going to have a southbound on the way here to get the afternoon going here. Before I get this far, going to have a couple of specials on the lineup for you as well. In a little while here, going to have a northbound sand load that came out of Taylor earlier today, and we'll have a Ferromex ES44 that is running second, and that is FXE4645 doing the honors. And leading on that will be the CN8869, and rear DPU was none other than the 3161. That was on the S772 on Thursday since my return from vacation. It'll be rear DPU on there. For our southbound activity, we'll have a CP AC44CWM rebuild of the 8207 to be running second on there, with a Jivo to lead it for the CN, as it was up by Bennett, so well done by the American Rail fan to get that one, and the U754 with the CN2339 to lead it, with another C6M rebuild of the CN3305. That's rear DPU on that. That diesel oil load that started from Bruderheim, Alberta, Canada, and we'll head on down to Jackson, Mississippi via CP AC. I still got to admit from the other day, though, goodness, doesn't get no better than that. For you guys, for the Nina and Waukesha subs, you're going to be expecting a southbound manifest of the M340, 41 of the 26th on the way. Brand new 3290 is back, and also has the C6M rebuild of the 3308 running second with that. And multiple DPUs are on there as well. A couple of ES44s to be exact. It should be on the Nina sub right now, since arriving into Point Yard around close to the 1000 hour, including the hot Q198 with the 2291 back at it, sporting the Prince of the Leslies. And DPU on the 198 is the 3251. So that'll give you all a heads up about that one. So I wish you all good luck for those catches, and especially for later this afternoon, going into the evening as well. So with that, let's hang tight for the next several minutes and wait for my first train of the day, which will be that southbound. We'll find out what it really is that will meet that northbound sand load that is led by the CN8869 with that Ferromex ES44 of FXE4645. Alright, 1212, southbound is here. Let's check them out. B790 AC44CWM. that'll do it for the B790, 41 of the 26th. And for the 2959 CP AC44CWM and the CN3867. So how about that? A couple of Tier 4 credits of the CN doing the honors with that CP rebuild. So not bad at all. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and I'll see you along the main line. Tyler Hayes out.